my Transportive Travel Diffuser blend. So I travel quite a lot for work, and one of the things I like to do is when I'm packing to get ready, I like to get myself into the mindset of the location I'm going to. So I like to use essential oils to help change my mindset into getting excited for the trip ahead, because sometimes traveling can be overwhelming, and I want the packing process to be smooth and joyful, and this blend is my go-to for that transformative phase of packing and preparing. So it's really simple. It's 3 different essential oils. Ylang Ylan's in there because it doesn't matter if you're traveling for work or for pleasure. The excitement and the brightness that Ylang Ylang brings to a blend is reflected in any travel you do. So Ylang Ylang is one of my big oils in this blend. I also use black spruce because black spruce helps give you clarity, and when you're packing you need a bit of clarity, and you need to be making sure that you're ready for what you've got, you haven't forgot anything, and you haven't left anything behind. And then we also use beautiful Vetiver. Now, the reason I like Vetiver in this blend is because it helps to ground you, because we can get a bit manic when we're getting ready to leave, especially if we're leaving kids behind or the pets behind, or we're leaving work behind to get a break. You need to shift into the mindset of taking the travel, and this is really important. The reason I also like this blend is that everything starts to smell like this, and it becomes nearly habitual that every time I pack, I have this blend. So once I light that blend or diffuse that blend, then I'm ready to go. I'm ready to pack. I'm aware that I'm traveling, and it's nearly like my olfactory memory remembers this scent means we're packing and we're going somewhere. So this is how we do it. You take the cap off your diffuser. I put my water in already, so just put your water in up to the max line. And then start with Ylang Ylang and use 5 drops of Ylang Ylang, which is beautiful. There we go. Really, really nice. Smells beautiful. Black spruce is gorgeous. So we're going to use 3 drops of it. And black spruce and Ylang Ylang kind of paradox each other in a way. So they're really interesting together. And then Vetiver is my third oil. Now, Vetiver is beautiful in this blend because it helps to ground us. A little like the black spruce, but with a bit more strength. Now, Vetiver, you just need 2 drops. It's thick, it's a resinous oil. It's so beautiful. If you don't like the smell of Vetiver, if you find it too strong, you might want to swap it out for frankincense. So swap it out for frankincense, which will do the same thing in that it'll help you reconnect. It sort of aligns you spiritually, prepares you spiritually for the trip, prepares your mind for a change, but it's not as resinous, so it's not as deep a scent. So try that if you like. And frankincense and Ylang Ylang are really, really nice together as well. So try that. Put your cap back on, and I diffuse this on my lowest speed in my diffuser, so the mildest speed I have is what I use for this one, just because I want it to be slow and consistent as opposed to a huge big bang. Try it and let me know what you think. If you want substitutions, just leave me a comment below and I can help, but this is my travel blend. I love it, and depending on my mood, I swap Vetiver out for frankincense. So don't hesitate to do that. Make these blends your own. Get creative.